Hey, there you are. Come on in.
You've arrived at the place to discuss all things related to the home. Buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling, and much more. This is Minnesota Home Talk, on the air, live from the studios of AM 1500 KSTP. Now, here's your host, Jason Walgrave.
Good morning and Merry Christmas. This is Minnesota Home Talk on 1500 ESPN Twin Cities, AM 1500 KSTP Radio. We are live every Saturday morning and on demand at minnesotahometalk.com. I am your host, Jason Walgrave, with the Minnesota Real Estate Team, the #1 real estate team in Minnesota, and RE/MAX Advantage Plus. Also in studio, Mike Overson with Waterstone Mortgage. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. I made it here again successfully.
Good job.
Yeah, it's a tough drive from the south where we live, but I was able to make it this morning. So,
well, I'm excited. I love Christmas time. I love this time of year. Merry Christmas Eve to everyone that's listening. We've got some Christmas music we're going to be plugging in throughout the show today. Pretty excited about that.
Yeah, that is exciting. Not as exciting as the Halloween soundtracks that we had, but yes, the Christmas music will be a nice touch.
Well, I don't suppose you have any Christmas jokes for the season, do you?
I don't. I didn't come prepared.
Maybe
so
next year.
Maybe next time, yeah.
I was expecting a Santa Claus mask or a Santa Claus hat from you, though, because you did have the mask for Halloween.
Yeah, just unprepared this week, I
guess. You haven't
know.
shaved in a few days, so it looks like that beard is coming.
I know. I should have got it white. I should have bleached this thing.
If you're new to the show, we are live every Saturday morning, and we open up the phone lines right away. 651-646-8255 is the call number. We love to hear from our listeners, customers, and clients. Give us a call at the studio with real estate and mortgage questions, anything and everything real estate related. Maybe you're thinking about buying or selling, investing in real estate. You have questions about mortgages, how they work, how much you qualify for. Maybe you're thinking about refinancing, whether or not you should do that. Give us a call. All real estate and mortgage questions, the phone lines are open. 651-646-8255 is the call-in number. 651-646-8255 is the call-in number to the studio. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about this morning. Investing in real estate is the topic. We're going to go over some examples of some clients that we've worked with, some properties that they've purchased, and how they've added that to their investment portfolios. We've got you've heard of that movie Bad Santa. Well, we've got five signs that you have a bad real estate agent. So we'll go over that a little bit later in the show. Of course, we've got market updates. We've got a lot of good stuff to talk about. Mike's going to be talking about mortgages and refinancing, and of course answering all those questions. We added a new link to our show website is minnesotahometalk.com, but we've got, if you go on to 1500ESPN.com, you go to the show page, we've added the REO Hot Deals link. So now every week when we go over REO Hot Deals, if you want to learn more about those, you can check those out on 1500ESPN.com. Let's get into the hot deals.
Perfect.
We have first one in Champlin. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 1991 built, 3,572 square feet, 3-car garage. This home is currently on the market for $230,000. It sold in 2005 for $384,000. That's over $150,000 difference. Mike, what's the payment on that one?
Move-in ready house, 3,500 square feet. Payment on that thing with 3.5% down, $1,778, and that includes taxes, insurance, everything.
That's everything. We've got in Chaska, a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, another 3,500 square foot house. This one is on 0.6 acres, 1994 built, 3-car garage, another gorgeous 2-story. Sold in 2005 for $456,000. Currently on the market for $259,000. This is almost a $200,000 difference. Mike, the payment on that one?
3.5% down again, $1,956 is the total payment.
Incredible. We have in Farmington, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,200 square feet, 2006 built, 2-story, 3-car garage. Sold in 2006 for $308,000. Currently on the market for $220,000. It's about a $90,000 difference. Mike, the payment on that?
Again, 3.5% down gives you a payment of $1,624.
In Hugo, we have a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2006 built, 3,200 square foot home. Currently on the market for $209,900. This house sold in 2006 for $337,000. $127,000 difference in the payment on that.
Again, 3.5% down. Payment is $1,508.
We've got over in Independence. We have on 1.4 acres a 4-bedroom home. Sold in 2004 for $515,000. Currently on the market for $360,000, $155,000 difference in the monthly payment.
Monthly payment on that one, $2,104.
In Jordan, this home sold in 2004 for $375,000. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square feet, 3-car garage. Is currently on the market for $235,000. That's a $140,000 difference. This is a gorgeous 2-story. It's got a front porch, 3-car garage. And the payment on that?
Payment on this one again, 3.5% down, gets you a payment of $1,758.
In Lakeville, our last REO hot deal of the week. This home sold in 2006 for $435,000. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, almost a half acre, just under 3,000 square foot. It's got a front porch. It's a 2-story with a lot of stone. Gorgeous house. Currently on the market for $309,900.